Hey guys, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to attach yourself to a Google Classroom. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to type in neisd.net, which is what I have already. You're going to click enter and it's going to take you to the NEISD homepage. After that, you are going to click on Launchpad, which is over here on the right hand side, and then you're going to sign in. And this is going to be your student ID at STU. For example, I have my daughters here. So this is what you would do. And then the second part is going to be your student ID. So you're going to sign in here. All right, now that you're in Launchpad, you're going to find Google Classroom and click on it. Okay, now that we're in Google Classroom, we want to make sure we're added to Senora Sanchez's class. So we're going to hit the plus button and hit join class. And then you're going to type in her class code, which is O5EZKHN. Now, I'm already a part of her class, so I can't join it twice. So I'm going to hit cancel here. But once you join, you'll see a tile, Senora Sanchez Spanish. You can click on that. Once you're in that classroom, you'll be able to see everything that she has posted and all of your classmates' postings as well. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help.